Initially, the raw material undergoes cleaning to remove impurities, followed by conditioning and flaking. Flaking increases the surface area of the material, enhancing the efficiency of the subsequent extraction process. These flakes are then heated slightly to optimize oil release before entering the extractor. Inside the extractor, the solvent percolates through the layers of flakes, forming a mixture known as miscella. After extraction, the miscella is separated from the defatted meal. The miscella is distilled to recover the solvent, which is recycled back into the system, leaving behind crude oil. Meanwhile, the defatted meal is processed further, often undergoing desolventizing, toasting, and cooling. Throughout the process, temperature and solvent concentration are carefully controlled to maximize oil yield while minimizing losses and ensuring product quality. This method offers high extraction efficiency, making it a preferred choice for large-scale oil production facilities worldwide. Additionally, advancements in technology continue to improve the sustainability and environmental impact of the process.